Olympic Games come on a grand scale. So vast, only the biggest need apply.
London.
Olympic budgets are calculated by the billion. So too the television audience. This is sport subjected to huge pressures, to protest global in size. And yet the massive is only a compilation of individuals, each with a tale. This is the story of a small land and our part in the biggest show on earth. Wales at the Olympics. It's one of the oddities of the London Games that they start here at the Millennium Stadium in Cardiff on July the 25th. It's an obvious Welsh connection, but it makes a more general point about the Olympics. The first action, women's football, Great Britain against New Zealand, then Cameroon against Brazil, and then men's football, sport for all, regardless of gender, colour or background. It wasn't always like that. The Olympics were designed for well-to-do white men from polite society, men from a castle in North Wales, a Welsh gold medalist amateur to his very core, or nearly. And in this sport, Wales's greatest Olympian ever was not so amateur at all, and he was from Cardiff Docks. Two contrasting tales of winners, and the Welshman who didn't win didn't become part of this legend. The cruelty of the amateur code, and how that code has evolved to keep a modern Welshman very much in contention for a gold medal. Tom James at the Games of today, just like at the last Games.
Gold medal, Great Britain!